Make your time in the garden more comfortable and efficient. The Best Gardening Stool provides sturdy support, easy mobility, and ergonomic design, helping you tend to plants, pull weeds, or prune flowers without straining your back or knees during long gardening sessions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BESTHLS Gardening Stool. The BESTHLS Gardening Stool is a thoughtfully designed rolling garden cart that blends comfort, functionality, and durability for all gardening enthusiasts. It simplifies planting, pruning, and harvesting tasks, whether in your backyard, garden, or countryside workspace. Its standout feature is the 360-degree rotating and height-adjustable seat, which allows gardeners to easily move and work at different angles without strain. With an adjustable seat height ranging from 19 to 23 inches, you can tailor it to your comfort level for prolonged gardening sessions. The stool's extendable steering handle, stretching from 21 to 30.5 inches, enhances maneuverability, while the adjustable angle makes it effortless to control and pull across your working area. Constructed with durable materials, this stool is sturdy enough to withstand outdoor conditions and daily use. The 4 10-inch rubber tires roll smoothly over various terrains like grass, gravel, and concrete, and their treaded design prevents slipping even on damp surfaces. Whether you're sowing seeds, trimming plants, or collecting fruits, the BESTHLS Gardening Stool offers both convenience and comfort, helping you work more efficiently while protecting your knees and back from unnecessary strain. Number 2. VEVOR Gardening Stool. The VEVOR Gardening Stool offers a perfect blend of durability, comfort, and versatility for anyone who spends long hours working outdoors. Featuring 10-inch inflatable tires, this rolling garden cart glides smoothly over uneven surfaces, making it ideal for use in gardens, lawns, and workshops. The adjustable handle extends from 22.83 to 32.87 inches, ensuring effortless pulling and precise control as you move around your workspace. Its 360-degree rotating seat enhances flexibility, allowing you to turn easily without straining your body, while the ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during extended gardening sessions. Built with a robust structure, the stool supports up to 400 pounds, making it a reliable option for both professional and hobby gardeners. The cushioned seat adds comfort and stability, providing an ideal working height for various tasks. It also includes a removable toolbox and wire basket to keep tools, gloves, and accessories organized and within easy reach, streamlining your workflow. With its durable materials and practical design, the VEVOR Gardening Stool adapts perfectly to gardening, painting, or workshop tasks. Whether planting flowers or handling small DIY projects, this stool provides reliable support and smooth mobility, ensuring your gardening experience remains comfortable and efficient every time. Number 3. Sunnydaze Gardening Stool. The Sunnydaze Gardening Stool combines strength, comfort, and versatility to deliver a dependable solution for any gardening enthusiast. Measuring 33.5 wide, 17.75 deep, and 18.25 high, this sturdy stool supports up to 300 pounds and features an adjustable seat height ranging from 16.5 inches to 22. Its 360-degree swivel seat design makes working in your garden easier by allowing full freedom of movement without the need for constant repositioning. Crafted from heavy-duty powder-coated steel, it offers long-lasting durability and weather resistance, ensuring years of reliable use. The solid metal axles and pneumatic wheels provide stability and smooth movement across various terrains, from grass to gravel. For convenience, it includes a plastic tray beneath the seat and a steel wire basket on the side, giving you ample space to store tools, seeds, or gloves within reach. Whether used in your garden, workshop, or shed, this stool helps you work smarter and more comfortably, reducing strain on your knees and back. Assembly is straightforward with basic tools, and the result is a solid, reliable seat that enhances both efficiency and comfort.
The Sunnydaze gardening stool is a smart investment for those who value practicality and durability in their gardening gear. Number 4. TheXceptional gardening stool. The TheXceptional gardening stool redefines comfort and ease for gardening lovers, particularly those dealing with back or knee discomfort. Expertly made in the USA, this wheeled garden stool provides a unique combination of stability and mobility, allowing you to garden without pain or strain. It's designed with a contoured, supportive seat and 2 convenient easy-up handles on each side, enabling you to push or pull yourself effortlessly while transitioning between positions. The 10-inch never-flat tires ensure smooth movement over grass, soil, or uneven surfaces without the worry of deflation or damage. Lightweight yet durable, this stool is rust-resistant, making it ideal for all-season use. Whether you're planting, pruning, or tending indoor projects, its intuitive design provides unmatched versatility. The TheXceptional gardening stool makes gardening more enjoyable for seniors or anyone seeking extra support and comfort during outdoor tasks. Its thoughtful engineering ensures stability, reducing pressure on joints while maintaining ease of movement. It's also a fantastic gift idea for garden enthusiasts who value both practicality and care. For anyone who loves gardening but struggles with discomfort, this stool brings back the joy of outdoor work with exceptional quality and thoughtful craftsmanship. Number 5. Goplus gardening stool. The Goplus gardening stool is a well-built and highly functional rolling garden cart designed to make outdoor work more comfortable and organized. Constructed from heavy-duty powder-coated metal, it is rust-proof and capable of supporting up to 330 pounds, ensuring years of dependable service. The stool features padded back and seat cushions, providing comfort during long gardening sessions. Its seat height is fully adjustable from 23.5 to 27 inch and can swivel 360 degrees, allowing you to work freely without bending or crouching. For convenient storage, the stool includes a spacious wire basket, a tool tray beneath the seat, and a rear pouch, perfect for keeping your gloves, pruning shears, and seeds within easy reach. The extendable steering handle, adjustable between 22.5 and 32, makes maneuvering the stool effortless. Equipped with 4 10-inch pneumatic tires, it glides smoothly across lawns, soil, and concrete surfaces, offering both safety and stability. The Goplus gardening stool is not just practical, it's versatile enough for a variety of tasks such as trimming, sowing, or harvesting. Easy to assemble with clear instructions, this stool enhances efficiency while minimizing physical strain, making it a must-have for anyone who values comfort and organization in their gardening routine. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.